Oh boy. Taran Bile you are we A2. Taran Bile's real parents.
Taran Bile why we take sets and parents. We ray you.
Why are we take sets? Mr. Bile.
Hello, I am Iron Fist. Today now I tells my story book. Today book tells is Ultimate Spider-Man.
Time now, Source Alan. Why fisting we out to story time?
Henry, you are and the two. We are going to tea now, says here, and the two from two.
Mr. Volcano. And we now shut up and now quit. Waits is burden coming in the people in Express. My birds.
Wait. Why birds fly? In with Express Coach.
Oh no, Mr. Bile, watch out with Crash.
What the fuck, birds? And filling my birds.
What's that supposed to mean, Mr. Volcano?
No, is birds, and the birds attack I story time.
Birds stop steals Iron Fist's book. Now an attack we from you.
You still filling your birds with vlogs?
And filling your mum with box sauce.
Oh great. Why and the do, Mr. Bile M's Bile.
Oh please Tad Bile, train in from with crashes for to from train.
Attack is attack.